It's your girl Ava and it's your girl Z. And today's video, we're gonna be looking around Five Below to see if we find any squishes or dumplings or anything. So if you like this video, hit a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit the like button, don't forget to share Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And also we're gonna be going to different places. Not like one place, Walmart, but I don't think have it because there's only pick up. But if you like thumbs up. Okay, y'all. So this is the little duck, but like it's not squishes. It's like a rubby duck. Where all this look? So y'all look. Another little ducks that we can be doing.
Let's look. Guys, stop. What? NeeDoh. I got this in it.
Oh, that's nice too.
And then toy bunny.
This little stuff.
This one I got you with the jabata. I know get time. Biggie man, we don't be where I bada. Tell me, what's it come? You are go, all depend. They catch it, ride the hook. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are go, all depend. They catch it, ride the hook. I know feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to do to my way. Plenty.
Okay, so I got this sweet treat perfumes, the chocolates. Then I got this lip gloss, Claire. Then I have this pink one, which is the one I had the last time. Right now we're trying to decide which nails we want, but I think these are the ones.
I got this one.
Cool, so then I can do it not the one.
I got this.
I'm just gonna stick with these. Look, then don't look like you want.
Is Walmart.
We in Walmart right now. We're seeing how much pop y'all come trying to hit it. And I just watch that. So, yeah, see, we in Walmart. And we're trying to find it. Well, as you can see, we have to end up the aisle. And it's good. And if you know, these are like a fidget spinner. Okay guys, so we made it back from all the stores. Sadly, We did not find no NeeDohs or dumplings or none of that. And neither of the stores want to, so that was just the bad news. But we are back with some things. Not what was there for, but like some. So let's start giving you a tour of what I got. So I got this squishy. And you could collect 7, and here's the typical animals you can collect. Okay. So I guess we just open it. Oh, it's scented. Who did I get another expired? Oh, there's no name. I don't think it's scented, but it's a squishy. I got this one. It's not bad. So I don't think that's very much. Okay, next we're gonna open this pet cat rabbit. Yeah. So I think I want this one or the mystery. Okay, yeah, I got this one. What's it called? Baby 3. Isn't it adorable? Oh. It's a little stick-up thing. So yeah, I got this. Okay, next. I got a Fuggler Bunny Ugly Monster. But ugly pets. So you can't really tell where I got, but you can collect 10. Ooh, this one is ugly. Shouldn't have picked this one. Oh, okay. So I got this. I don't think it's fish. So I got this animal, whatever this is. Comment down below. Don't buy a Fuggler. Next, okay, here's we're gonna get some perfume. Okay, so I got this perfume first. It smells good. Brown chocolate. I got them. So the pink chocolate. It smells good too. And then the red chocolate. Okay. Okay, so then I have this lip gloss. Wait. I got it open. gloss. Then I have another lip gloss. Okay, this one's so pretty. Smells like candy. Okay, I got this gloss. Okay, next I got these French tip nails. And Kinsey got these press-on blue and pink nails. Okay, also, that's the end of my short store trip. But if you like this video, hit a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit the like button, don't forget to share Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Bye.